Oh, that's so bad. Let me throw it back to you. You ready? Ready? I'm gonna clap. No, that's not the signal. I do my intro by clapping. What is good, YouTube? Today we're gonna do another sneaker cleaning. Hold on. Let me make sure you get some potassium. Throw me the. Oh, throw me. Oh yeah. Oh, what we got here? Ugh, stinky shoes. 350 V2s. Zebras. Let me swallow my banana. Put that dirty bag away. All right, so let's have a quick 360 view. SPLY. I don't care what it stands for. This is pretty dirty. My customer is a returning customer. The laces, the right side, right? They like to do it this way. I can actually lace it the same way. I learned it on YouTube. And the left side, he likes to lace it the normal way. What I'm gonna do is just not lace it back the same way. I'm just going to clean the shoes, the uppers, the laces, standard package cleaning, and of course the midsoles. The midsole's a little tricky. You're gonna definitely need to use Rejuvenator's medium bristle brush and then hand detail it later. Oh yeah, I forgot the top view. Look how dirty the stitching is. I'm not gonna touch the bottoms and I'm not gonna clean the insides. Get some water. I got about 1/3. There you go. Rejuvenator. This is good enough. Just a little bit of. I always put too much. Put that away. I don't want to waste my solution. We're gonna start with the soft bristle brush. Make sure you get some wobbly freaking shoe trees or some kind of shoe tree. You just want to put some pressure in the toe area. Insert it nicely. I'm gonna do both of them. This banana is actually pretty good. Start twirling the brush in the bowl of the solution. Make sure you get a little bit of foamy action, and if it's not enough, just put a little bit of I don't know what I'm doing. Put more solution in there. All right, let's test the spot. I usually like to work on the toe area first, just because it tends to get very dirty there. Actually, it's not bad. Check it out. Let's do a little bit more. Look how clean it is, right? It's getting there. I'm gonna put a little bit more just because I want it to be more foamy. There we go. Let's clean the upper. It's okay if you get it soaking wet because this kind of prime knit material, it can take that beating. And I'm not gonna throw this in a laundry wash because it's just gonna clean the entire shoe. I don't wanna clean the entire shoe. Asian hair. Yeah, totally forgot a step. My mom has been watching my videos and she's been telling me to wear gloves, specifically these pink ones. I'm surprised they fit. Make sure you protect your hands. Rejuvenator, even though it's like 100% natural, it doesn't mean it's completely safe. All right, now you can start cleaning. Just work your way around the shoe. Seems like this pink rubber gloves is actually giving me power to clean. This thingamabobby, just make sure you pull it down, kind of like pulling down someone's pants. Clean the butt because there's a stitching there as well, right? You want to make sure that everything is clean. That's how I like to do things, right? Not pulling down pants. Can I try? 8. Oh. Wait. Oh, my Adam's apple. For me, I like to actually go over the upper again. Another 360, so technically a 720. I do leave the laces on, at least for this particular pair, because I know that there's no suede on the shoes. And I'm not afraid of any bleeding, color transfer whatsoever, right? This is all kind of like safe to just leave it on and just clean it. So at least the brush is gonna do some kind of work on the laces. I can't believe I'm actually working Kanye West's butt again. Oh my god, I just choked. I don't know why I removed my gloves while cleaning. Mom's not gonna like this. Once you're done, make sure you do grab a clean microfiber cloth and pat the shoe dry. Pat Kanye West completely dry. He doesn't like to be wet. And we're gonna actually leave this to completely air dry actually for like a day before I do the second round. Second round is basically gonna be using the medium freaking brush gently over this material. You don't wanna put pressure. I'm gonna show you guys very soon. This one, I guess I'm just gonna clean it off camera and have some fun cleaning Kanye West all over again. The left side, you can see that it's definitely a lot cleaner already versus the right side. Look at me just playing tap dancing here. I like to take a break. I made a boo-boo. Check this out. Sorry, Mr. Customer. I actually dropped a little bit of my banana on your Kanye West, so I'm gonna have to clean that. Oh my god, what am I doing? Actually, Kanye West, speaking of Kanye West, I just found out he has 4 kids. North, Chicago, Psalm, P-S-A-L-M, yeah, Psalm. And of course, the fourth one is called, give me a hint. What's a hint? Saint. Yes, oh my god, I just clapped, I don't know why I clapped. 4 kids, Northwest. You know what, he should have just thought about this like with Kim. Just do it Northwest, Southwest, East, West, and freaking, you know, West, West. Oh my god, let's clean this banana off of this shoe because, oh my god, this is embarrassing. Okay, so, apparently Northwest is a daughter. Psalm is the son. What about Saint Laurent? What about Saint West and Chicago West? I'm actually getting help right now. She's on Google. While I'm cleaning the shoe, what about Chicago? Chicago is a baby. Okay. Then what about Saint? Son. Okay. Okay, patting the other side dry. Yeah, let's let this dry completely. Make sure you clean your tools and remove. I am Kanye West's zebra pet. More like Kanye West is a pet of a zebra. Okay, so yesterday I went ahead to do a second round using the medium brush. Both sides of the shoes, including the midsoles. You know, it's looking a little bit better, but definitely do hand detailing for the midsoles because you're not gonna be able to get rid of all these scuff marks. The laces, I actually dunked it in Dawn solution with water, of course, warm. And I did 2 sessions. So each session I let it soak for about like 20 minutes. And then I did the rejuvenators, favorite, you know, and then pat it dry, air dry, and it's still dirty, right? You can still see, you know, the little dirt. So I'm gonna have to hand detail it. I'm gonna grab my medium brush, put this stupid zebra aside. I'm getting tired of cleaning animals. Just be very careful. Like I said, this prime knit is pretty strong. It's not an extremely delicate material, so it's okay to do what I'm doing, right? I'm just gently placing it onto the zebra's fur. I think zebras have furs, and just clean the entire upper. Hit the midsoles, and then let this air dry. Then do the other side, all right? And then once that's good to go, don't forget to take an awesome photo because you gotta prove to the customer that the shoes need to make a big before and after impact. Otherwise, you didn't do your job, okay? So yeah, that's about it. I'm busy. I'm tired of this. I don't wanna clean. You guys are wondering, why am I wearing just one side of the gloves? Because this will at least make mom somewhat happy that I'm being safe. Throw that pinky aside and take a break. All right, I'm gonna grab one side. Oh my God, knots. I'm an Asian, I don't like to untie knots. Just grab the end of this and just clean it. You know, that's all you got to do. rotate this as you're working up the lace. If needed, dip it, don't know what I'm doing, and hand detail it. The spots, you know, the stubborn stains, just keep doing this back and forth, round and round we go. And then don't forget to dry like this. And like I said, I'm not gonna lace it back. I'm just gonna do what I do. Don't lace it back at all. I'm gonna show you guys Kanye West's dirty bum. All right, clean tissue paper. Let's rub his bum. Let's just get. Oh my God! Let's just make sure his poo-poo stains are gone. This is like a few second kind of work, but look at that, look at that. His butt's clean. So just do that all around the ribbed kind of midsoles. Be patient. Don't just rely on the brush. Does the zebra want to eat? I'm gonna stick this apple inside.